first off, for December 1, which is today, we are going to have our grand opening salvo. So this is going to be later in the afternoon at the main building, executive building, and then simultaneously after that will be the evening events no sa Anahaw Amphitheater. So there will be the Magical Disney Festival. So this is something very fun. So we are inviting everyone to attend and to witness no this Magical Disney Festival. And then the Iligan City Hall Christmas lighting ceremony. So this is also a very fun and interesting activity later on because every Filipino, di ba? We are always very excited to see lights, especially during December, no? And then, of course, millennials and Gen Zs and maybe mga Gen X and mga baby boomers will enjoy also our free admission concert by the December Avenue. Ayan. So we are inviting everybody to please come and bring your friends, family, boyfriends, girlfriends, no? Kay mga love songs, sabi din ng mga kanta later sa Anahaw Amphitheater.